And now, let's begin the match. And 3, 2, 1, go!
It's an important match for the Red Alliance, especially for Meta Infinity. Currently ranked number 2, but Tech Hogs and Beta Module may be able to take that from them. In auto, we're looking at a pretty tie game, but Red Alliance is going away with it. Enigma taking those pot shots from the far side. That gate over on the blue side is filling up. We're going to see that run in teleop unless Tech Hogs can make that drop now. But the Red Alliance is just going away on this side. Both gates pretty full. We're seeing a lot of artifact buildup over on those loading docks. Here, when we start in teleop, we're going to see a lot of these gates open, a lot of rush to those sides as teams try and grab these artifacts as quickly as possible. (7209) Tech Hogs of Robotics trying to grab as many artifacts from that gate as possible and just take advantage of this close section being relatively free of robots in the early beginning of the matches, as teams are, especially 18221 Meta Infinity, really taking pot shots from that side, from that far area as much as they can. Oh, and we're seeing a nameplate on the field now. A red nameplate has fallen off, being pushed around. Still, Meta Infinity is not going to let that stop them as they keep collecting from the gate as much as possible. Just moving back and forth, just honestly strafing between the great gate and the area without barely even stopping at both spots. Meanwhile, Enigma doing the exact same thing, just a little behind. We're seeing a lot of contact in this game, especially over there by the blue tunnel. Team 23284 Beta Module almost trying to get in the way of Meta as they are grabbing from that loading zone section. Scoring-wise, we're seeing Red run away with this game. 89 artifacts, current 91. As Meta is just unstoppable on this close, but Blue Alliance is trying to keep up as much as possible. Being smart about this gate and being smart about, especially over there by the blue loading dock. Getting down to the end of it, we're in the end game phase now. That blue gate is full. There's some strategy there. You don't want to open it because the Red Alliance may be able to use that. Blue Alliance fully parked for this match. Red Alliance, Meta still trying to score, trying to bring that score up as much as possible. But looks like Enigma was able to get that.
Alianza Russia, Red Alliance. 369 points to Red Alliance. Good job.